Hey artists, welcome back. Today we're gonna draw My Melody from Hello Kitty step by step in a simple and fun way. Grab your pencil, relax your hand, and let's start together. We begin by drawing an oval shape. This oval will be My Melody's face, so keep it soft and rounded. Don't worry about making it perfect, just keep it light. Next, draw two guidelines inside the oval. One vertical line down the center and one horizontal line across the face. These lines help us place the eyes, nose, and mouth correctly. Remember, these are just guides, so draw them lightly. Now, using a 2B pencil, we draw the eyes. Place them on the horizontal guideline. My Melody's eyes are simple and cute, so keep them small and round. Darken them gently, but don't press too hard yet. Next, draw the nose and mouth. The nose is very small and sits right in the center. Then, add a tiny curved line for the mouth. Simple shapes make My Melody look extra adorable. Now we draw this oval shape below the face, like a little coat or hoodie. This shape helps define her body and makes the drawing feel complete. Keep the lines smooth and rounded. Next, we draw the bow. Start with a small circle in the center, then add two rounded shapes on each side. The bow is one of My Melody's most important details, so take your time here. Now it's time to draw the ears. Draw two long, soft shapes going up from the head. Make them tall and rounded. They don't need to be exactly the same. Small differences are totally fine. Now we add the details. Clean up the lines, erase the guidelines, and strengthen the final outline. You can darken the eyes a little more and smooth out any curves. And finally, the result. Take a moment to look at your drawing. You just finished drawing My Melody, and she looks super cute. If you enjoyed this drawing, don't forget to give this video a like, because that really helps me a lot. And subscribe if you want to see more step-by-step drawings like this. Now tell me in the comments, which character would you like me to draw next? Keep drawing, keep practicing, and never stop creating.